Oh yeah. Bimblowz 2000, motherfuckers. I will record the process of installing Bimblowz 2000. I just need to readjust my monitor. Bimblowz 2000. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. Why am I still awake? Now, if I'm remembering correctly, the computer should have a mini seizure while it detects the hardware. Oh, there it goes. Excuse me. Oh boy. Yep. Yeah. Also, the loading bar itself disappeared. The only thing that's on screen now is the progress made. Oh shit, it did something. Alright, name, Nick, organization, Microsoft. I don't have a product key, do I? You know what I should do next time I go to my cousin's house? The first thing I want to say to her, I'm just gonna say, hey, and I quote, "Hey, cousin, let's go bowling." Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. Now I just wait for it to boot, so it should be perfectly ready. It is currently 6:17 a.m. Why am I still awake? I've been awake since like 4 o'clock in the afternoon yesterday. Now, I don't care about network identification. Is the audio gonna work, like, without drivers, or... No, I'm gonna need drivers. Right, let's see the resolution. 822 by 5... What kind of resolution is this? What the fuck is this? 822 by 514. What? Just going to Internet Explorer. I don't care about dial-up internet. It's 2020. We don't use those things anymore. Oh yeah. Internet Explorer. Is this thing even connected to the internet? http://www.google.com. Oh hey, I am connected to the internet. Oh yeah, let's go to youtube.com. I don't care about errors. Oh, never mind. I should have to care about it, seeing as it won't let me go to youtube.com. Oh, there it goes. I did it. I installed Windows 2000. It only took me like an hour, but I did it. Yep, it's at native resolution now. I didn't think it would actually go to native resolution, seeing as it's Windows 2000, but, I remember going to school in, like, the 2nd grade. I used to, like, screw around with the computers. I used to do this on, like, literally every computer I could get on my hands on in the 2nd grade. 2 ribbons, not 1, but 2. It's flip-a-zoo. Textured flag. Windows 2000. Professional. Alright, background. The wallpaper I used to have on my personal computer at home. Yes. Wait, no. Stretch. Let's see if I can remember how I used to have this set up. Alright, this is fine. There we go. Yep. This is how I had it set up. Yep, my taskbar is teal. I remember when I used to use Windows 10. I set all my sounds to Windows 2000 sounds. The Windows automatic update icon has a Windows XP logo on it. Accessories. MS Paint. Ah, yes. I'm not really good at drawing with a mouse, but, ah, yes. Ah, yes. Remember. I thought the for 2003. There we go. It's a work of art. I'm going to save my changes to untitled. and I'm gonna put it on my desktop. Games. Pinball. 3D pinball. I forgot the controls to this game. Okay, that's that. Space. I have no idea what's... Oh, that's space. Okay. So this is how you play pinball. You just gotta spam Z and slash. I don't think the silent card can keep up with my rapid spamming of the buttons. No, ball, no! I have failed to secure the ball's safety. That did not sound right. Games. Minesweeper. I have forgotten how to play Minesweeper. So there's a 1. I believe that means there's 1 mine around. There's 2 mines around. Mark that as mine. That was in fact a mine. You know what I used to do back then? Go to custom, set this to like the maximum with only 10 mines, and look how hard this is. Guys, look. Yes, I won Minesweeper. Solitaire. I have forgotten how to play solitaire. Entertainment. Windows Media Player. Oh yeah. Calculator. 0 divided by 0 is... Result of function is undefined. Alright, I'm gonna go sleep now.